Welcome. In this video, we will be looking at a model to analyze and understand businesses and organizations. So the model is called the Business Model Canvas. And as the name suggests, it revolves around the fundamental concept of organizations' business structures. It is a model that outlines the rationale behind how an organization creates, delivers, and sustains value. The model consists of 9 building blocks, which fundamentally explains how different parts of an organization or business is interconnected. The 9 building blocks are based on 4 main aspects of a company, namely the customers, the product or service, the infrastructure, and what is commonly known as economic feasibility. So in other words, it assesses whether the organization's activities are financially viable or profitable, often referred to as the business's bottom line, which is about whether there is a positive financial outcome or not. Some organizations aim to generate profit, while others may operate on a more break-even basis, where all income revenue is utilized to fulfill the organization's mission. The usage of the model's components depends on the type of organization that you are looking at. The Business Model Canvas is recommendable due to its visual simplicity and ease of understanding. The model's 9 components are interrelated, so if you think about the elements as buttons in a system, adjusting one button will impact the others. This feature can also help you to assess consequences of proposed changes within an organization. The model places a strong emphasis on customer centricity, with value creation being at its core. So it is originally designed for developing new organizations or innovating on existing ones to create new business models, but it is also suitable for understanding and analyzing existing businesses and helping individuals effectively position themselves within those organizations. So let's look at the 9 building blocks. The first block is about customers. This is about identifying those to whom the value is delivered, which could be referred to as customers, users, citizens, visitors, and so on. So the term customers is broadly understood in this context. Next, we have value or value proposition. So this is central to the model, and it refers to the value that the organization aims to create for the customers. Then we have channels. And channels describes how the organization delivers values to the customers, encompassing both sales, communication, and distribution channels. The next part is about customer relationships, and this explores the nature of the relationship an organization maintains with the customer, ranging from personalized service in a physical store to more impersonal interactions through, for example, online platforms. All of the interactions with the customers usually generate some kind of income or revenue streams. So the income block represents the income generating from delivering value to the customers, which may not always be direct sales revenue, as some organizations might rely on alternative income sources and funding of different kind. On the other side of the model, we have key resources. And this is about the resources necessary to deliver the value to the customers effectively. We also have key activities, and this refers to the essential actions and processes required to initiate or sustain the value creation. Then we have partners, and the key partnership addresses the collaborative relationship with external entities that are crucial to the organization's functioning, whether it be strategic partnership, suppliers, and so on. And then the last building block is about cost and cost structures. And this outlines the cost incurred by the organization to deliver the value, which can provide insight into both the expensive and the cost-effective parts of the business. So, it is important to note that the order of the model's elements is not fixed. You can basically start at any point that aligns with your current knowledge of the company. But the recommended starting point is, however, the customer aspects, giving it significance in the context of the model's purpose. So as you may have already noticed, the model is divided into 3 major components. On the right side, we have a general block concerning customer understanding. And on the left side, we have the organization's total infrastructure. And then finally, at the bottom, we have the financial structures. So in analyzing an organization, it is also crucial to consider what we call cash flows. And this is about how money flows in and out of the company, as well as the different revenue generation and expenditure mechanisms such as product sales, subscription, leasing services, and so on. So, in summary, the business model canvas provides a foundational understanding of an organization structure. And in the next video, we will dive deeper into the 9 elements and focus on how they can be used to analyze an organization in detail.